What's up guys, welcome back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you guys how can we change the power menu of Android 12 ROMs, and which is material you design, and another will be the notification panel. How can we change notification panel? And you guys can see, and you guys already know about default notification panel of Android 12 ROMs and the power menu, so we will change it. And let me show you the power menu. And you guys can see here we have advanced feature as well. So this is the power menu, and which I personally don't like so much, so I need to change it, and I will change it. So without further delay, let's get started and let's see how can we change the power menu and as well as the notification panel. So firstly, download the files given link in description, and then just I will show you one by one. So you guys can see these are the files. So firstly I will show you, here is one will be a Magix module, another will be application. So you guys need to install Magix manager in your device. If your device is not rooted, then you guys can't use any of the customizations. So you guys need to root your device. So firstly I will show you the power menu. Just click to install normal APK like as. So just install classic power menu and let it be installed, and when it is done, then get back and you guys will get an application. Where is that? Here it is. Just open the application and it will ask for root permission. So you guys can see my device is rooted, so granting the permission here, then enable accessibility, so allow, and click on next, device control, next, and then finish. Now you're good to go. Now let me show you the power menu already changed, and you guys can customize from here. Power options, edit power options like this. You guys can see here the material you, if you need something, just drag and drop like this, then it will be set. So you guys can customize as you want, no problem. Now let me show you that. So here you guys can see the new power menu, and it will work perfectly without any issue. So hope you guys understand that thing. And now we will show you how can we change the notification panel fully. So if you clear the recent, no problem, it will work perfectly. Just click on that, so it is working without any issue. And now I will show you that. So first of all, open Magix manager and then go to module section, install from storage, and just click on that Android 12 UI mode, and it is very smaller in size, less than 100 kilobyte. So I hope you guys can easily install this module to your device, so no problem. Just click on reboot and let's see. So device booted finally. Now let me open that. So everything done, and you guys already watched the power menu, and now it's time to show you guys the notification panel. So you guys can see this is really cool, isn't it? It's really cool. You guys will get 3 toggles in a row, so this is really good in looking, and I think you guys will like that thing. And it's very small in size, so it's not a problem to use for anybody. So you guys can easily use, and you guys can customize like this, drag and drop if you want to. Let me pick that one, and just like this you guys can customize easily, no problem. So this is it, and hope you guys understand the video. And if you guys really like that cool features, then please don't forget to subscribe, and all credit goes to the developer who actually built this. So thank you for watching.